Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact pre-order you want to cancel and why. This matters for timing and refunds. Sign into the Microsoft/Xbox account tied to the purchase, then open order history and locate that pre-order line. Once found, copy the order number and note the payment method and expected charge date so you know whether a refund is needed or the charge can be prevented before processing. Now you initiate the cancellation action directly from the order details. Click Cancel or Request Refund and follow prompts, selecting the reason if required, then confirm the cancellation so the system registers it. Once done, watch for the confirmation email and any reference number. Make sure to read the refund timeline because some charges reverse immediately while others take several business days depending on your bank or card issuer. Finish by verifying the canceled status in order history and saving the confirmation email. That proves the request. If the order still shows active or a charge appears, contact Xbox support with the order number and confirmation details and escalate politely until resolved. If support cannot reverse an already processed payment, make sure you document everything and then dispute the charge with your payment provider as a last resort to secure a refund.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.